As a content creator, one of the toughest parts is taking a long video and breaking it down into smaller, attention-grabbing clips. You could spend hours rewatching, cutting, and capturing, or you could use a tool that does it for you automatically, finding the best moments, adding subtitles, and packaging everything into ready-to-post short-form content. Before that, welcome to Inside Your Hustle. I'm Cece. Now let's get creative. But it doesn't stop there. Clipwise also studies your videos and points out which clips are most likely to get engagement. So you're not just posting randomly, you're posting smart. You can take one piece of content and stretch it across TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts without burning yourself out. Ooh, boy, do I know that. For any creator who wants to stay consistent and grow faster, this can really change the game. Alrighty, so we are on Clipwise dashboard and we're going for an AI host. I'm about to show you content creators how to make a real video for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Let's get it. The tone is going to be humorous. Watch this. The style is going to be, let's see, listicles, because we're about to make it maybe beginner friendly. And I'm prompting it for 5 ways, okay? We're going to do 5 ways to make money while sleeping. And we're going to do bold animation. Let's get it. Let's look for documentary style. I want that realistic style because this is an AI host. And this is a great way. If you don't want to show your face, you're not ready to be camera ready, this is the way to do it. Have an AI host do it. You'll get so many views and you can constantly do this even if you're tired and don't want to be in front of the camera. It's already generating a script for me. Remember, 5 ways to make money while sleeping. I do these, by the way, and I get a lot of views. You can check out my channel. Wow. Not only it gave me a script I can review, it gave me visuals, what I'll be seeing. I love that. Another thing, I could change up the script if I want to. I like that script. Let me see. Yes. Yes, I like it. I like it. Okay. Remember, 5 ways. It's like a passive income. I wanted 5 ways I can make money while sleeping. I love educating people on how to make side hustle money, side money, because I do a money channel. So finance channel, this is what I would be doing. Okay, now I gotta hear a voice. I gotta pick out a voice.
Let's make something amazing together.
Let's go with Kenneth. Kenneth Happy. Because this is a cheerful, how to make money. This is cheerful, okay? Look at all the hosts I can pick from. I like Miles. Miles Outdoor Front. I like you, Miles. You look like you know something about some money. You making money and still working out at the park while money is being made for you. Let's get it. I like this. There's the script. There's the visuals. You can always change out visuals. See, I just changed out a word in the script. Now it's already generating. I like this. Stand out from the crowd. I like this. Okay, it's generating. All right. And you can pick out captions. And let's get busy.
Ready to make money while you snooze? Here's number 1, rent out your stuff. From bikes to cameras, if you own it, someone might pay to borrow it overnight. Number 2, sell digital products, ebooks, printables, or courses that keep cash flowing even when you're dreaming about your next vacation.
I like that, Miles. Excellent, excellent. He looked like he took a stroll in the park or a run while he has his money working for him. I like that. Now, you could put that out on YouTube, Instagram, and I guarantee shorts, you can get views from quickly. Okay, that was considered a short. And you can get views because people don't have like patience for 2-hour videos, 3-hour. They want to know something, they want to know it now. You got to educate them, keep them like this in a minute. You know what I mean? Educate them. You got a certain amount of time to get them going. I like that. And what he said was actually true. You could sell a lot of stuff around your house and make money from it. I like that one. Very good tips. All right, so you ready for the next one? We're about to do Reddit style. Now, this is very popular on YouTube. Any type of background, you tell an interesting story over it. This is hot right now. Any type of background from video games to anything. Now let's type it in. We already put in 5 ways to make money as a chef. Everybody's trying to hustle. This is a hustle channel, so it's generating a script based on my prompt. Now it already made an audio script for me. Let me read it. I like it. I'm about to pick a background, okay, and a voice. Let's see what kind of narrator. It's going to be female.
It has been said that storytelling is the most powerful way to share ideas. What story do you have to tell?
I like your voice. I like it. It doesn't sound AI-ish. I love the tone. Let's get with it. Let's use this background with food and let's show people 5 ways they can make money if they know how to cook. Okay? Put your skills to work. You can change up the style of the captions, the setting. You can change up the background. You can add music. You could change the volume of the music, the speed of the video. I love that because you don't want the music too loud. You can reduce the sound. And also, what you can do is change the color of the captions, okay? You could do highlight, raise up. There's all different styles. And you could do overlays. It's generating now. And check this video out. You're going to see people cooking it, this lady cooking in the background. And my audio script is going to go over it with the captions. Let's check it out. This is going to be exciting. What are some of the best ways to make money using cooking skills, even if you're not a professional chef?
I once thought cooking was just a hobby until I found 5 cool ways to turn it into cash. First, meal prepping for busy friends saves them time and earns me steady income. Next, hosting casual cooking classes at home, which is surprisingly fun and rewarding. Third, selling homemade sauces or baked goods online or at markets. Fourth, starting a food blog or YouTube channel sharing recipes and tips. Finally, catering small events or parties in your neighborhood. Turns out, cooking can pay off in many ways.
What? I'm about to put this on my channel. I love that. First of all, what was some of those recipes? It wasn't really good. I'm gonna look at that again. I might be stealing a recipe. That was awesome. Now, we have a lot of chefs and people that can really throw down in the kitchen, can cook. They would appreciate that video. Now, if you have something you want to tell, use a Reddit style video. Pick out a video. I don't care if it's video gaming in the background. Tell your story and use that background. And I'm telling you, usually you can go viral with those. Those are very popular and they're quick. All right, so now let's make a viral faceless video. I'm going to put a prompt in. Clipwise makes some of the best viral faceless videos, especially for children. So I'm going to put in a little girl who adopts a kitten. And let's see, brings it home. Let's say finds a kitten and brings it home. 45 seconds. English. Let's pick a setting, children's book. And it's generating a script. I love the visuals. The audio script looks fabulous. Okay, I like it. You can always change some of the script, by the way, if you want, okay? Be mindful of your crowns, okay? How many credits you have. Let's get a voice. Female, young, American, Cassidy.
I just love talking about movies, TV shows, really anything that's in the arts. So use my voice for those kind of projects.
Okay, Cassidy, I got you. Let's check out the visuals. Oh, she's so cute. I love her hair. It's like, oh, howling crazy. Great visuals. Okay, I want to change one picture, the third one down. Let me get to that one right now because she looks a little too old. She looks older than the rest of the little girls, right? Let's keep her around the same age. So you can change out any image. You can edit an image. You can also convert all the images into video. I'm going to put little girl as the prompt and it will change it out. Let's see. Yes, there you go. Now that's a little girl. Remember, you can also convert these images into video. So all images could be all video if you like. All right. All right, so let's get this into a nice little short so I could put it on my other channel that I have. All right, it's about to generate. We also have to put some captions. You can control the speed of the video. You can also add little cutesy kid music. Let's see. She's so
So
cute.
this little girl spots a kitten. Not just any kitten, this one looks like it just escaped a drama soap opera. She decides to rescue it because obviously the world needs more tiny furball drama queens. Bringing it home like a tiny celebrity, unaware that she just signed up for endless midnight concerts and shredded curtains. The kitten explores like it owns the place, and honestly, it kind of does now. The girl, she's just along for the chaos. And that's the story. One little girl, one kitten, and a lifetime supply of hilarious trouble. Got a pet story? Drop it in the comments.
I loved it. She was so cute. Oh my goodness. And I hope, did you notice the overlay? Like the little hearts? I threw in an overlay, those little hearts all over the place because it was so cute. That was adorable. All right, so now let me show you a quick way you can make these awesome videos. These are like quiz style videos. I use them all the time on my channel. It's a great way if you want a lot of interesting videos. You want people to really, a lot of people want to learn. This is a great way to teach without being so preachy, teachy, like you're a teacher all day long. A lot of people don't want to learn that way. Quizzes are a great way to learn. And this style is quick, it's fast, it's animated. People watch a lot of these. You can have about 7 of these and they'll watch all of them if they're quick enough, if they're fast. I did one on ways to invest your money. And let me show you how this turns out with the quiz style videos.
Hey there! Ready to explore some fun ways to invest your money? Let's dive into this quick quiz and see what you know. 4 questions, 3 choices each. Let's get started. Question 1. Which is a common way to invest money? A. Buying stocks. B. Taking a vacation. Or C. Eating out. Think about it. The right answer is A. Buying stocks. It's a popular way to grow your money over time. Next up, what's a low-risk investment option? A. Savings account. B. Lottery tickets. Or C. Collecting comics. Think carefully. The answer, A. Savings account.
Okay, you see how simple that is? You prompt it what you want people to learn, what kind of quiz you want, and you can you can tell them how many questions you want in your quiz, how many choices. I put 4 questions. I wanted 3 choices. They add on visuals. You can change the visuals out. It's very good and it highlights the answer. Do a few of these on your channel based on what you are, teaching on your channel or what your channel's niche is. And I'm telling you, you have more people participating on your channel because you have something interesting to offer each day. These are great little quick shorts. And you don't have to show your face. We did some serious videos today. Create viral short videos in 3 minutes using AI. Awesome, awesome. Clipwise is this, I'm telling you, it's the video tool you need. Look at this. Remember we did the quiz video? We did the faceless video. We even did the Reddit video. Who uses Clipwise? Businesses and content creators, of course. This is how I do a lot of my videos. Import your idea. We did that. We reviewed the script. I chose a narrator, and we did the finishing touch. We also did some overlays. We changed up some of the captions, and we put them out. I'm about to put 2 of those videos out today on 2 of my channels. You could also, I forgot to tell you, clone your own voice. I'll do that in the next time I do a video. Look at the prices. Okay, you have the monthly, and the most popular one, the cheapest one, is the one for the creator. They even have the business and the starter. You got the $39 a month, or you could do the yearly, which is only $20 a month. You get billed yearly. You have up to 200 videos per month. Okay, with that one. That's almost like, let me do the math, like almost 7 videos a month. Come on now. 7 videos. I mean, that's 7 videos a day for a whole month. If you put out 7 videos a day, you doing Instagram, TikTok, and all of that, People are going to notice you. People are going to find you. You're going to build up that algorithm. That's really great. Look at all the voice cloning included, priority generation, general commercial terms. You have like, oh my goodness. Look how many videos. Think about it. Up to 200 videos? No excuse why you can't put these videos out. None. And if you're a business owner, why are you not advertising your business, your product? These short TikTok videos, why are you not doing this? And if you're a content creator, make more videos. Make more videos. Get your name out. Get your name to the people. With Clipwise, come on. You got to build a following. And that's how you can turn one video into endless content without losing hours in the editing chair. If you're ready to save time and grow faster, check out clipwise.ai through the link in my description and start content creating smarter, not harder. Not only does Clipwise creating easier, but it's also the cheapest and best option out there, especially with their 60% off plan going on right now, up to 10 times more affordable than tools like VO3 or InVideo. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Clipwise. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.